Welcome back to our channel How to Guide.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can use your new calculator in iOS 18. So guys, you may have seen that there's been significant changes in the calculator app in your iPhone. So guys, if you want to find out what those changes are and how you can use the new calculator, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open calculator over here. And once you do so, you may have noticed that now you have the option to delete it through here, this cross button over here. On lower versions, you couldn't do that, so you had to swipe it in the left side like this in order to delete it. But now there's an option to delete it directly. And guys, just go ahead and look at this lower calculator icon over here and tap there. You'll see now you have option to change it to scientific or your math notes. So in scientific, you can see that you can do anything now. There's option to square root, cube root, and you can also use sine and cos, tan. There are many options. There's also pi. And now you can also look at this top left bar over here, and you can see that there are all the calculations that you had made throughout the day. So it'll really help you during exams or really important things where you would need previous calculations, and it'll be hard for you to see them, but now you can directly just tap here and you can see all of the calculations. And if you want to edit them, you can also do that. You can edit them and choose to delete the ones you don't need. You can also tap on this icon over here, and you can also turn on the convert options. And now if you want to, let's say, select a certain currency and see them in a different currency, then you can do that. As you can see, 1,000 Nepali rupees is 6.88 euros. You can see them this way. You can also change the currency once you tap there. You can tap anywhere and you can change the currency to anything that you want. If you want the currency to be in Japanese yen, just go ahead and tap there, and now you will see even bigger calculation. And you can see the currency. So 800 rupees in Nepal is 550 yen in Japan. So these are really advanced options now. Now again, just go ahead and tap on the calculator options. I tap on math note. So this is the new option where you can track all of your math notes or important notes that you have made. So guys, this works like your notes app. All you need to do is tap on this lower right corner option. Once you do so, now you can just type in your important notes that you have made in the maths class. There's also option to select some things. You can just choose this option. Now tap on and you can just choose to either tick them or untick them. There's also the stable option, so if you're making certain notes, you can do that. So you can make them like this, and you can also pin documents or attach a file, record audio, and scan documents. You can also just write them like this. Guys, this is a new option, so you can just write in your numericals like this. So if you write numericals over here, so let's say it's 2 plus 2, then if you're connected to internet connection, then the calculator would solve it for you. As you can see, I don't have an internet right now, so it's not solving, but if you have a Wi-Fi connection, then will automatically solve this. So guys, that's how you use the new calculator in your iOS 18. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.